Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night. Jasmine, don't you start. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Today is currently, I think today Tuesday. I don't even know. Yes, today is Tuesday the 22nd. Y'all, since I didn't have to go to work on Saturday, of course I'm off Sunday, Monday. Y'all, I just been relaxing. Just because typically put out a video on Sunday, and y'all, today is Tuesday. I still haven't seen it. Like, my watch list is so long, but I'm almost through. I think I got about, I don't know, 15 or 13 videos to watch. Of course, I'm watching videos over here in the background on my computer. Y'all, while we're talking about watching videos in the background, Sin on a budget. She, as a couple of days ago, she was needing about 200 watch hours before she gets monetized. So definitely check out her channel. Go support, go run a playlist, especially, you know, if you just need something to do while you're at work or washing dishes, run a playlist. Let's help Sin get monetized, y'all. She is almost there. Also, if you would like to do this challenge, well, I know the month of October is almost over, but you still have time. Definitely check out the link in my bio for that. And this right here, this is irritating me for some reason. It just does. Here's what the challenge looked like. This is everybody that's in the October collab with Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs, or I may have said that backwards. I don't even know. Definitely let me know if you do decide to download the savings challenge, and if you do have it in your video, let us know, so me or anyone else that's doing the collab, that way we can come see your video, come support you. So yeah, just let me know. Let's go ahead and talk about my spending. Also, I keep saying also, I have to stop saying that. So let's go ahead and talk about the spending. I think I've did pretty well, especially since this only been a week. And some of these are out of order, so I will try to stay in order for everything. So first, is my hair in the way? Probably. So first, on the 16th, spent in total it was $32.50. I already had 25 bucks. I ended up spending $7 from spending on my Discover card, and then we get back up here to the 17th, which I spent $10 from grocery, which left me with $170 out of $180 for grocery. And then for spending $26 with $54 left. And of course, that same day I did get $10 worth of quarters for the washer, so I do have quarters left. And on the 19th, I went to the beauty supply store. I spent $4 and some change, but round up to $5 on Discover. And I do need to go back to double check this as well. But I think, let's see, Capital One. Okay. I'm going to go back to double check that. And then on the 19th, I decided, since I had $150 left, I was going to set $50 aside for out to eat. As you all know, I normally don't or haven't budgeted for out to eat in a good minute. So on that day, I spent $46, had $4 left. Also on that same day, I got $5. I can't say that right at all. $5 in quarters for the car wash. That money came from spending, and this is where I'm just adding things up. So we're going to skip over this. On the 19th, I ended up spending $6 from spending, which left me with $20 in spending. For grocery, I wanted something to snack on from Sonic, and that's when I had the $4 left for out to eat. So I took that $4 and I turned around and got $17 from grocery, which made me end up having some change in my wallet, of course, and I still have the $65 in my brown envelope for grocery. So let's go ahead and check, and what I'm going to do is this right here. So my trackers are not small enough, and just forget about this, and this is where I pretty much rewritten everything over. So 180 minus 10 minus 12 minus 5 equal 150. $65 in my wallet, and I should have $88, but I did have $3 taken from this and put that in this wallet right here. So I had $88 in total, and I put $3 over here, so I ended up with so that's where that $3 went. And now for my wallet, I should have just $85, which I do need to go to the store today. So 80, 20, 40, 60, 85 for that. And I'll just put these back in here. And here's my tracker for groceries, of course, which we just saw. For fun, this is how that went. I did try the sandwich that Danny had. She had a ciabatta cheesesteak sandwich from Panera, and I decided to try it, and y'all, it was in fact good. So now we are on spending. So when it comes to spending, here is my tracker. I know some things are written out twice, but this is where the money went. So I should have $12. 5, 6, 7, 8. Y'all, this dollar is old. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'll fix that in a few. I thought about hole punching my trackers. I do have a hole punch here. For thankful is for travel or gas. I only have $40 in my wallet, and I do have $20 in my brown wallet, so I do have the right amount of money over here. So let's just double check. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. So $20 is right. And for this one, this is the $65 for grocery, which I don't think I'm going to spend all the money for grocery since we still have a lot of meat left. So I have 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. So $65 for groceries still. And remember, this is a magic month. So what I may end up doing is the money that I don't use, I can either save it or roll it over to the next paycheck, and I'll decide if I want to hole punch my trackers or not, and if so, I'll just put them in separately. And let me just fix this back like it was. Thank you all so much for the help, for helping me reach my 4K watch hours. Ooh, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway next month when it's not a lot going on, so stay tuned for that. Remember, I do not announce any giveaways in the actual title of the video, so you just have to watch. And I did give you all a sneak peek of what I will be giving away. So that's all I have. Have a great day. And this is just my second paycheck breakdown. Right here I did say I have $150, so I decided to add $50 for out to eat with $100 I should have left over, but I'm sure it'll be a little bit more than that. So bye.